You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
I thought maybe today I would take time out and show you guys how to work out on the Bowflex Max Trainer. The reason why, and I don't want to get into something real long here, but I just want to give you a couple tips, suggestions. You get this, you go online, you order this, and you're excited, and it shows up. You take it into your house, your apartment, wherever. You put it together, or you have them put it together, and you're just ready to go. And then the first thing that happens, let me hop on here. You're all ready to go, and the first thing that happens is you start going, and all of a sudden you realize this is not as easy as what they said or what I thought. Okay? And it's a shock to your body, and you're just like, oh my God, this is so hard. All right? The reason why I know that is because I did the same thing. It's not that the machine is hard. You came from the gyms running on the ellipticals, and the ellipticals, even though they go down and around, there's still that swinging motion, okay? Your treadmills, they're operated by a motor that spins a conveyor belt. So even if you hop off, it still has momentum to go. This machine is designed with you being the motor. Okay, you get no results out of this machine unless you are motoring this machine. I put together this YouTube channel for you to work out with me. And I don't want to lose you guys because, number one, this is the best. Whether you're going to the gym or you're at home, this is the best machine. All right? And they just don't tell you that when you're watching them on the Bowflex. You know, they got their models there with their six-pack abs and everything else, and you notice they don't show you the control panel, they don't show you how fast they're going, but they make it look like it's easy. So, with that being said, when you get your machine, or even if you're at the level right now that you're struggling with this, but you're watching me, and I know how it is. It could be a turnoff watching somebody who is pretty good at it. And you're like, I just don't want to work out with him. He's just way above my level. Okay? To start off in your machine, I don't want you to even worry about the handles. Put your hands down here on the handlebars down here, okay? And nice and easy, no resistance, just in the warm-up mode. Just spin. That's it. Nothing fancy. You have to start somewhere. Okay? Even if it's every day, doing the warm-up mode for the 3 minutes it gives you before it tells you to make a selection and find a workout to do, just do this. And even if you don't set it onto a program, get your iPhone watch or whatever you have and keep track of your heart rate and your cardio and everything that way. But you have to get used to this, okay? That's all I want you to do. Put your hands down here, put your hands up here, where it offers, and just get your legs used to spinning this. Not real fast, all right? This nice and easy motion. It looks like, I'm not putting up the camera on the control panel today, because I just want to talk to you. I want your concentration. I don't want you concentrating on my control panel. But I'm spinning right between 5 and 8 RPMs, okay? So when you first get this machine, or if you're struggling, just do that for right now and just spin, okay? The shock, if you don't have this machine and you're just on my page watching this on my channel, I don't want to discourage you because it is the best machine. But I want to bring reality to you And what's the best way? The guys who already have this machine, they'll know what I'm talking about. But you ever been, when I was speed skating, we used to go all over the place in Montreal. This is the best way. You ever been in Montreal and a lot of the sites that you can go and explore around? A lot of places are up on top of the hills, side of small mountains. You could drive a car up the snaky road, or you could ride a bike up there, or they give the option of walking up those steps, then cross the road, then walk up the steps and cross the road. That's this machine. Those steps are this machine. Okay? Now, one thing different that they did with this, it's not a Stairmaster. One thing that Bowflex did, and I'll show you, your hip flexor, it rolls. I mean, you're pushing down, but at the very top, it rolls. Just slightly enough that it takes the pressure off of your hip flexor. So, while you're spinning, put this image in your head. This might help you out a little bit. Hang on to these bars right here, which also have the metal tabs on them to do the pulse rate. Get a little sway in your body and have the image in your head that you're riding a bike up a hill. Okay? Get that image in your head now. You're riding a bike up a hill. Nice and easy. Now with this machine, it allows you to ride a bike up a hill in a very easy gear where you can spin fast. Or we can adjust the tension on there where we can ride the bike up the hill in that real hard gear. Ride the bike up the hill in the hard gear, we're working on muscles. Okay, we're working on our arm muscles, our leg muscles. We're working on everything. We ride the bike up the hill in an easy gear so we spin faster, we're working on cardio. That's why it's the all-around machine. Okay, so I just want you to, when you get your machine, I just want you to get on and try this drill. If you can't make all 14 minutes, I know when you get the machine, you're like, I'm going to do the 14 minutes and I'm going to do the intervals and I'm going to burn that 200 and some calories. And I'm here to tell you, unless you're an athlete like I was, a former speed skater, 5K runner, marathon runner, no, you're not. But you will. And my channel will help you get there. What I want you to do when you work out with me, work out at your pace, work out at your level, at your RPM. My RPM is always above 20 and into the red zone. If your RPM is at 5 and only up to 8, well, 8's your red zone now. Don't go above, but I promise you this. Eventually, you will get that 200 calories or that 300 calories. So, I want you to spin. If you can't do 14 minutes to start off with, I want you to do at least 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And try this drill. Start spinning, okay? You're going along, no hands, all right? I'll tell you, I'm going to spin here for 30 seconds, all right? Now, I know I don't have my control panel up, just take my word for it. Nice and easy, I'm just going along, that's 20, all right? And really, do this drill. No resistance, no nothing. This will give you a workout. All right, there's 30 seconds. Now, I'm going to put my hands on here, and for the next 30 seconds, I'm going to use my upper body to help my legs. All right, now when I hit the 1 minute, I'm going to take my hands back off. That's 45 seconds. Trust me, this drill will help. There's 50 seconds. I'm still going nice and easy, but by putting my arms up there, it's such a relaxed, it made my legs really relax. Now I'm taking my hands off. All right? So here we go again, another 30 seconds. I don't know if you noticed it or not, but I'm showing you how to use the machine, and I'm breathing heavy. Okay? I'm getting a workout from this. 25 seconds. And when it hits a minute 30, I'm going to put my hands back up. Hands back up. Hear the machine speed up. Now my arms are assisting my legs, giving my legs some time to recover. All right? I just want you to do this back and forth until you get used to this machine. All right, so I'm going to stop. Do that in that warm-up mode. And get yourself familiar with the machine. Play around with the different tensions if you want. But don't quit. I bought this machine 4 years ago. 4 years ago, when I first got it, I didn't think I was going to be able to do 300 calories in 14 minutes. I didn't think I was going to be able to do 200 calories in 14 minutes. Now I'm on YouTube blowing it away. People commenting on there like, how do you do that? That's insane. It's because I do it every day. And you will too. So practice spinning very easily, okay? Come onto my channel and work out with me. And when I'm doing this insane workout and I'm doing the speeds and burning all the calories, adjust it to your level. It's the same workout. Do not ever feel embarrassed about it either. Okay? So, I hope this helped. I know I don't do a lot of, I don't do the 7-minute interval a lot. The last time I did it a different way. If you want me to do that with you, let me know. I will work out with you. Leave a comment down. I will work out with you. I will do the 7-minute. And when we're doing the 7-minute interval, afterwards I will go on to my steady pace or whatever I do and get my 14 minutes in there. If all you can handle is the 7, we'll do it together. Do it at your level, but just give the machine a chance, okay? And once again, if you have an elliptical, if you have a Stairmaster, do they even make those anymore? If you have a treadmill, come and work out on my page. Guys, do me a favor too. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit that bell. That way you know every time I'm uploading. I'm uploading just about every day, okay? There's once in a while I need to take a break, and I'm sure you do too. So, hopefully this explained a lot. If you need me to recap real fast, get the machine, got it home, you jump on it, you're like, this is too hard, don't get rid of the machine. Take it easy, spin, get used to the machine. It's only because your muscles ain't used to it. Trust me, you will get better at it. And if you need any more advice, if you need me to do another tutorial on this, if you need me to actually do one of the programs and show you on the camera, I will zoom in as I'm doing it. Whatever it takes to help you get used to this machine, okay? I'm here for you. I love working out with you. Even though you're on the other side of the camera and I'm over here, when I do this, it's because it really feels like I'm working out with you. And that's why I do this, and I love to work out with people. So, I will see you next time. I think I have been planned. What do I have planned? Power interval. I love that one. Yeah, I'm going to tear it up too. All right. Thumbs up, subscribe, bell, tell a friend. I'll see you on the next one.